So, what is Node.js? Node.js is a open source cross-platform runtime environment which includes everything you need to execute a program written in JavaScript. It's used for running scripts on the server side to render content before it is delivered to a web browser. Node.js is a server-side platform built on Google Chrome's JavaScript engine, which is V8 engine, written in C++. Node.js is nothing but runtime environment plus JavaScript library. Since this is just an installation video, I would like to skip much about Node.js and go ahead. But to learn further, what could be a better place than Node.js official website? Just type Node.js in Google and go to the first link, nodejs.org. Go through the website for basic outlook. Answering myself, there is a better place, that is our channel mrktutorials. So for further understanding, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon. Let you select components to include or remove from the installation. Again, unless you have a specific need, accept the defaults by clicking next. Finally, click the installation button to run the installer. When it finishes, click finish. Once installation is completed, we need to verify it. Open command prompt or PowerShell and enter node-v. The system should display the Node.js version installed on your system. You can do the same for npm also. npm-v. In my upcoming video, I will be explaining what is npm. Once verification of installation completed, we need to verify path in environment variables, which helps in avoiding beginner errors. On moving forward, what is Deno.js? Deno is a simple, modern and secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript that also uses V8 engine and is built in Rust. It was created by Randall, who is original creator of Node.js. Deno ships a single executable file with no dependencies. It is similar to Node.js but has many differences too. I would definitely create a video or complete playlist to give better understanding about Deno.js in future.